carbon is a very interesting element in the periodic table. And in fact, we can say that carbon is the hero of the periodic table in the sense that it can partner almost all elements in the periodic table and make compounds. Of all known chemical compounds, more than 95% are carbon-based compounds. They contain carbon in some form or other. This is interesting. If you look at the availability of the carbon element in the crust of the earth, where you have iron, silicon, etc., all these things are in abundance, there is very little carbon present there. Regardless of that, carbon is a wonderful element to bind with all elements that is possible, and it makes a variety of structures. That is the beauty of this element. Other element that compares with carbon is silicon. They are more or less comparable, but we will not go into silicons in details to get the discussion distracted. So we'll stay with carbon. Now, carbon in the natural form occurs only in two states. One is the graphitic state and other one is the diamond state. These are the naturally occurring carbon states. Now, apart from the ability of the carbon to form chemical compounds with other elements of the periodic table, it has got a remarkable capacity to form covalent bonds with itself and get into interesting structures. This is what is diamond and this is what is graphite. It binds to itself in a very nice manner and very stable configuration and gives rise to these two unique materials which have got signature properties. Okay. So our story actually begins from here.
NSTC is again organizing the workshops on very exciting topics. Registration link is given in the description box below. So book your seat as per your availability and interest. For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the links shown on the screen to stay connected.